I gonna say? If you like this video, don't forget it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and hey guys. Freaking ice cream truck, really? Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, I'm Mac and this is Jack, and we upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week together. He is in all of my videos and he's the sweetest. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment on this video, and like it. This week's video is going to be really fun, I think. I haven't even done the project yet because I'm really not sure what I want to do. As you can tell from the title of the video, it is going to be a thrift store makeover video, and I haven't done one of those in a while. And I really enjoy doing them because I like to redo clothing and just make it my own and just give it that extraness, you know, that, I don't know. The video is going to be for a crop top made from a gown. I think it's a nightgown, but I saw it in the store and I got it from Goodwill, and I just thought it had so much potential because it's so gorgeous, this material. And I don't like this flower in the corner, and there's one at the bottom, but the bottom doesn't matter because I am gonna make it into a top. So I really just like the bows on it. I would have added those if it hadn't been for them being there already. So what I want to do is I want to make it into a cloud crop top. I'm not really sure why I chose that. Just wanted something dreamy with clouds, and I don't know. You guys know my style, so if you watch my videos, you know that I like all things weird and quirky, so that's what we're doing today. I hate to be so basic because I was gonna add more to it. I was gonna add like a rainbow maybe somewhere on it, but I don't really have a patch on me that I can use or anything. I do have some fabric that has a rainbow on it, but I don't know if it's gonna look good, so I'll have to wait and see. And I got this trim, these adorable flowers, and I was gonna try to use it, but honestly I'm just not sure if I still want to use it or not. And I'm gonna use this fleece material for the clouds. I already had this on me, so I'm just gonna cut the clouds out and put it on there. I may add some more embellishments, I don't know yet, but we're just gonna see how it looks with the clouds, and if I decide I want to add more, then I guess I'll add more to it. So I just wanted to take you guys along with me as I'm crafting. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I hope you guys can see what I'm doing because it's a little different from my other DIY videos, and when I start doing stuff I can zoom in and make it to where you guys can see it better. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut to about maybe halfway, so that way I'll have room to actually hem it. And it is going to be tricky, I think, to hem because this is a very weird material, so I think it's going to be a little difficult to work with, but we're going to try it and see what happens. Alright, so I finished the hem and it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it would. It doesn't look great. There's a few places that it just, you know, doesn't look even. But I'm actually kind of surprised because this material was awful, because it's like not stretchy, but it moves a lot when you do anything with it, like cutting, hemming. So that was kind of difficult, but it looks even to me. So I love it already. I just do not like this flower thing. So the next step is to add the clouds on it, which I'm excited about because I can't wait to cut all of them out. And I think I'm just gonna do the front of the shirt. I don't really want to do the back. Seems kind of pointless, but I don't know, I might. I don't know. First of all, I need to cut one big enough to cover this. So it is gonna be a large cloud right there, but I'm gonna make some big and some small. They're just gonna be different shapes and sizes. So let's go ahead and start cutting those out. Oh man, I did not make it big enough, y'all. Okay, take two. Woohoo! Yay, it's big enough. I am so happy. It is a little large for this top, but the clouds, you know, they're going to be different shapes and sizes, I think. So I might just make a lot of the other ones smaller. And for the glue in this, I'm going to be using the Fabrifix, which I absolutely love. But if you're going to use it on any of your garments that you're going to be wearing, make sure you wait 2 or 3 days before you wash it, because it will come out in the wash. I've learned that the hard way. So I finished the front of the top, and I have to say, I actually really like it. It's very simple, but I really do like it. It's so fun, and the clouds are so huge. I love it. So this top reminds me of like Care Bears or something, and I just have to add a rainbow somewhere on this. So what I've decided that I want to do is I am going to take this adorable logo from a t-shirt. It's actually a kid shirt, and I do that a lot. I'll take, you know, the logos off kid shirts and put it on a shirt that I make. It's just fun that way. And it says Happy Go Lucky, and I know it's a St. Patrick's theme, but I don't care because it's so adorable and it has the rainbow on it. You can't really tell, but it's so sparkly and pretty. I love it. So I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm gonna glue it on the back of the top. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll be all done. So it is done, and I am so happy with it. I love it. It almost looks like a little bow on the back, the way it's shaped. It's so adorable. And it's perfect because St. Patrick's Day is around the corner, but even if it wasn't, who cares, you know? I can just wear it year round. But yeah, I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and coming along with me and doing this. It was really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys and we can see what it looks like. I hope this gives you inspiration to do your own thrift flip video or project, whatever you decide to do. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you thought about it, tell me if you thought it was too basic or if you think it's cute. I personally like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.